Hello, my name is Stephanie Andrews, and I'm a lawyer in the Litigation and Dispute Resolution team at McCabe Curwood Lawyers. Many directors are familiar with their statutory duty to act in the best interests of their company. However, this broad sweeping obligation recently came under review in the final report of the Financial Services Royal Commission. Commissioner Hayne was critical of financial institutions adopting too narrow an approach to satisfying this duty by limiting their focus to company share prices and profit margins alone. Whilst this might be one metric in measuring success, the Commissioner reminded directors that in the long term, the interests of shareholders, customers, employees, and other stakeholders actually converge. To ensure that directors are satisfying their duty to act in the best interests of the company, Commissioner Hayne provided the following two key recommendations. 1. Uphold proper governance. The final report criticised the inadequate oversight of company boards over the actions of management. In acting in the best interests of the company, the Board of Directors must take positive steps to inform itself of the practices of the company so that they can effectively and accurately evaluate business matters. The board must use this information to challenge the management of the company and hold them accountable for their actions, particularly if management is breaching the law or failing to meet company standards. 2. Adopt appropriate risk management strategies. Acting in the best interests of the company also means appropriately managing company risks. The financial report condemned companies for limiting their risk management strategies to financial risks only, failing to consider non-financial risks such as compliance risk and regulatory risk. To ensure companies have a sound risk management strategy, Commissioner Hayne recommended that companies undertake comprehensive and regular risk audits, develop response plans to adequately respond to risks as they arrive, and provide staff training so that employees are aware of the firm's risk appetite and expectations. While proper governance and risk management may not be directly reflected in a company's daily share price, they are critical to the ongoing, sustained success of a business. The final report has stressed that to properly act in the best interests of the company, the long-term viability of the corporation and obligation to customers must take precedent over short-term financial gains. Directors need to be proactive, probing management to justify their decisions, incorporating systems for mitigating risk, and ensuring effective regulatory compliance. McCabe Curwood has experience in advising directors on compliance with their duties and acting in proceedings concerning breaches of directors' duties. If you have concerns about compliance or would like us to undertake a health check on your company, the McCabe Curwood Litigation and Dispute Resolution team is happy to assist. Thank you for watching, and please continue to watch this space.